Dry.
Oh my God, it's never man.
I said y'all are gonna have to do mine too,
Mom?
yeah. Aaron,
I guess like we got to do the arm thing like
oh, it's like a tree.
You just
really
now
getting that?
I'm sorry.
Just because you're as big as I am doesn't mean that I'm not your lovey mommy. Your lovey mommy. I have extra things. Look at those little happiness.
Are dancing? Well, thank you, God.
Mickey didn't.
Not even a little bit. That doesn't shock me much.
I like the log cake for this. Person who's decorating was good.
She did it.
Thank you.
I asked her if she could do it, and she said she could. I was like, yay! Yeah, but Tiffany had the top on hers.
Y'all get it. Yeah, but everyone has. Do you have any weddings I photographed that have that exact topper? Like at least 4 that I photographed that had that exact topper. It's gorgeous.
Y'all made a line of your grandparents and stuff for me.
What?
Oh, she was your grandparents.